Welcome to our video guide on the cost of comfort. How much does a water softener actually set you back? I'm Jamie Schick from Golden Rule, and I'll be your guide as we dive into the numbers and explore whether it's a worthwhile investment. How much is a water softener? Let's break it down. Low-end range basic models perfect for small households can start at around $3,000 to $3,300. These are the workhorses for moderate hard water issues. Moving up mid-range for larger households or more severe hard water problems, mid-capacity softeners with extra features may cost you between $4,200 and $4,700. They offer a sweet spot between capacity and cost. At the top, high-end range for the big league's top-tier softeners with advanced tech and high capacity can range from $5,900 to $6,500 or more, perfect for larger families or extreme hard water challenges. It's not just about the numbers, it's about finding the right balance between your needs and budget. Consider the perks. Reduce hard water problems, energy savings, soap and detergent savings, longer appliance lifespan. The comfort factor can be priceless. But keep in mind, initial cost, maintenance requirements, sodium concerns for salt-based units. For most, it's a fair trade-off for comfort. A water softener can go strong for 10 to 15 years or more with love and care. Regular upkeep is the key to longevity. Whether it's considering a budget-friendly option or aiming for the top tier, the choice is yours. If you have questions or need guidance on finding the perfect water softener for your home, reach out to us. We're here to help you. Until next time, may your water be soft, your appliances happy, and your home full of comfort.